Hello and a very warm good morning to one and all. This is Ranu Sharma welcoming you all to Amity TV. I am pleased that I've got this opportunity to introduce our guest, Dr. Niraj, the CEO and founder of Hanumaan app. Hanumaan app is a Bihar-based startup offering digital aggregator of healthcare services since June 2020 and was pioneered by 5 visionaries of Bihar itself. Dr. Niraj Jha, the CEO and founder of Hanumaan app, is a healthcare professional having decades of experience. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. I would like to request you to share your experiences with our viewers.
Thank you, Ranu, for the opportunity. So, Hanuman basically is a healthcare aggregation platform for lot many healthcare services, especially ambulances. And we started in June 2020. We offer our services through an app. We also run call center with a number 9264198199. It is an emergency helpline number wherein you can book ambulances, you can book diagnostic tests which can be done at your doorstep. You can also give request for emergency first responders at your doorstep. So with these three services like ambulance, diagnostics and emergency first responders, we are extending our services to all the 32 districts of Bihar, and for ambulances we are present in entire Bihar, Jharkhand, Delhi NCR and Mumbai. We are in business for last 18 months and it's been a great journey.
Thank you so much, sir. So, my first question to you is that how the idea of developing Hanumaan app came to your mind and what next is in your plans?
So I was in healthcare for last 11 years and I was seeing that there is a lot of communication challenges in healthcare leading to a lot of mishappenings and vandalism in hospital. So I was reading a lot of IT systems and technological updates that is investing in many other fields from banking to retail to fashion, and I believe that IT systems in healthcare is less utilized, underutilized, and with the help of IT system, I see lot of changes coming into the healthcare, which will actually serve the last mile delivery and will actually help the patients in rural areas. So we thought we'll make the system more transparent, more responsible and real time communicative. When I met Deepak, my co-founder in 2019, he was a tech guy and I got the opportunity because this symbiosis was working. So I, from a medical background and a co-founder from a tech background, we could immediately make a technology and which was scalable very high. So that is how we started our startup idea, and today we are where we are.
Indeed, that was interesting to know, sir. Sir, what are the difficulties you have faced while while developing this app?
So the major difficulty was COVID. COVID-19 hit us twice in 18 months of time. So March 2020 first lockdown. So we were not able to get in do any hirings at that time. So me, my friends and families were involved in the call center management, and Deepak was developing the technology behind it. So that was a challenge. And then again, when we started our new office at Patna, because of the scale. So then again in April 21, we were hit by COVID wave 2. And then again, we were struggling with the ambulances problem of oxygen. The hospital beds were not available. So our business came to a standstill unless we raised a social fund, distributed oxygen in the ambulances, and then we reinitiated it. So two waves of COVID hit us badly. And secondly, the most difficult problem that we dealt in this 18 months was to fix up a fixed fare for ambulances. For cabs, we know that it is 8 rupee to 14 rupee per kilometer, but for ambulance, it is a time and opportunity and emotion based pricing. To fix up that, to handle that was the major problem in our business so far.
Yes, sir. Sir, so how satisfied do you feel when you see that people are using your app and getting benefited from that? So, what was how the feeling was like?
Ranu, this is very relevant question. That see, when you create something that gives you pleasure, that gives you happiness, and when you see that your creation is making some change, so we created an app, we created a technology, we created a network, we created some processes that is helping patients in accessing the healthcare facilities more easily. So when I see that thousands of lives are saved because of this technology, I feel delighted, I feel motivated, and that gives me a lot of energy to do further enhancement in my business and to make more changes in healthcare that I wish to, I aspire to do so.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and sharing your experiences with our viewers. So, this was Dr. Niraj Jha, the founder and CEO of Hanumaan app, and he shared some of the very valuable experiences with our viewers. So, on that note, I am Ranu Sharma signing off. Till then, stay connected with Amity TV for more updates. Thank you for joining.